In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to creditcard.chase.com. From here you should look at something like this. And here you'll have an option to either sign in to your Chase bank account, or you can just directly apply for the credit card. From here you'll simply need to go down to our most popular reward cards, and then choose Chase Freedom Unlimited. If you don't see it right here, you'll also need to go up to all credit cards up here, and then you can scroll a bit down until you see it right here. From here, you'll see the apply button over here, and when you click on that, you'll be taken into the account application page. From here, you can get started to apply for this specific credit card. And as you can see here, you'll get a $200 bonus once you spend $500 in the first 3 months from the account opening. You'll also get a 1.5 cashback and a low intro APR. From here, you'll simply need to add in your personal information like your first name, middle name, last name, or suffix, either one of these if you have one. Then you'll need to add your identification, your date of birth, and your mother's maiden name. And lastly, you'll add tax ID type, where you can either choose social security number or individual tax ID number. And here you'll need to write that right here, either your social security number or your ITIN number. From here, you'll need to add in your home address, where you can choose between a domestic address or a military address. And you'll just need to write in the specific details about your home. From here, you'll need to add in the contact information like email address and phone number, so Chase Bank can contact you quickly once they have reviewed your application and added you into the program or not. From here, you'll need to go down to authentication for the Social Security Administration, and you'll need to check this box out so you can provide electronic signature for the authorization above. Here you'll also need to add in your financial information like the type of residence, either if you own your home, you rent your home, or other. You'll also need to add in employment status, whether or not you are employed, self-employed, or unemployed, and lastly a total gross annual income. From here you'll need to scroll down until you see authorized users, where you can add up to 5 authorized users to your specific account. This means that you will get 5 credit cards if you choose all 5 authorized users. You can add them by clicking here, and then you'll be able to add in the personal identification for the specific user. From here, you'll need to add in a balance transfer, where you can add balance transfer if you previously had a MasterCard, Visa, Discover card, American Express, or any other store card. Then you can add it right here, where you can add the account number and the amount of dollars that you have in that specific account. From here, you'll also be able to add a paperless statement if you want a paperless or not. Then you can add the pricing and terms, where you can download it or read about the credit card program right here. Once you've done that, you'll see the certification, and here you can see the TOS of this specific credit card. From here, you'll need to click I have read and agreed to the above, and then click submit. Once you have clicked submit, you'll get a receipt from Chase Bank that you have received your application, and in a couple of days, they will answer you whether or not you have been accepted into the program. That's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!